the Fanttik NB8 Nano pressure washer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a portable pressure washer by Fanttik, the NB8 Nano. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual and the USB-C charging cable. Briefly going over some specs, this is battery operated. It has three 2600 mAh batteries, IPX5 waterproof, 8-liter tank capacity, runtime of 40 to 60 minutes, the water pressure of 72 to 98 psi, 3-meter hose length, comes in at 4.62 pounds. Some examples on where it can be used: outdoor camping for cleaning tables, grills, or hand washing, gardening from cleaning your tools, patio, and watering, and bike washing, cleaning your racks, wheels, shoes, and mudguards. Looking at the unit, you can see the compact size and it feels very light. The top, you have the water tank with an 8-liter capacity and the measurements on the side. On the front, you have the branding and the power button on the left side. To turn it on and off, you have to hold it down for 2 seconds. The LED light will turn on below the button. To the right of that, you have the USB-C charging port. Filling the tank is simple. Just unscrew the cap like so. And here's a look at the back. To access the hose, unlock the levers on each side and separate the tank from the base. The hose is coiled and it retracts neatly into the base. Looking at the sprayer, the nozzle has 2 settings. You can toggle between stream and spray mode by turning the tip. To set up the hose, make sure to guide it through the notch in the back and then attach the tank and lock it into place. Taking some measurements, this has a height of 12 inches, a length of 10 inches, and a width of roughly 8 inches. Okay, now let's take it out and see it in use. Alright, so I filled up the tank with some water, and then we'll just test it out on this patio here. Again, I think this is very versatile. You can use it to clean some spaces, use it to wash your hands, bring it to the beach. Very versatile. Let's go ahead and power it up. So just hold the power button for 2 seconds. And then you see the green light turn on. So it's on now. And then just squeeze the trigger. So here right now I have it on the stream. And then if you twist the nozzle here, you can have it more of a wider spray. So that's the spray, and you can hear the motor. It's not that loud. So this is a spray. Good coverage. And let's adjust it now so it's more of a stream. And the patio, it's a little dirty, so let's see if we can clean some of the dirt here. So you can see it's removing a good amount of dirt here. It's not like your typical high-powered PSI pressure washer, but it does the job for surfaces like this. And if you just want to do some light cleaning, you don't have to drag up your hose. If you have like a second level, that can be a little bit of a pain just bringing the hose up. Very portable with this washer. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue cleaning here. so that's with the stream, and then again I'll show the spray. So that's with the spray. We got some dirt here on the threshold. Let's see with the spray. And back to the stream here. All right, I think I went through the whole tank, and you can see here just a light cleaning. It got a lot of the dirt out, and it did pretty well here. So that's a look at the Fanttik NB8 Nano Portable Electric Sprayer. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.